save Excel data in text file. So we have an Excel file and we have some data in columns. We want to save this data in a text file like this. So automatically we will do this automation through Power Automate Desktop. So we go to our folder. So when you download from our website, you will get a zip file. So open the zip file and copy the folder and paste in your local drive. For example, we save here. Now open the folder. Here you have one folder for instructions. Here you have the Power Automate code and any other instructions in the document file. So first open the sample file. So this is our Excel file. We want to copy this data in the text. This is the text. After running the flow automation flow, our data will be saved here. So for the timing, we remove the text file. Come to the instruction first. So open the Power Automate code file here. So we need to copy this code, select Ctrl C, and you open a new flow in Power Automate. You need to download from Microsoft website, install, then open the Power Automate. And now after opening the Power Automate, create a new flow. So give a name. So give a name, save data from Excel to text file. You give your own name. So create. So in the meantime, we close our Excel file where our data is there. So now the copy the code, Power Automate code, and come to the interface, Power Automate, the new flow we open and paste here. So here we need to do something. First of all, we need to give our file path where our source file is located. So our file, this is our folder. This is our source file. So we get the folder path. To get the folder path, shift right click, copy as path, and paste here and remove the double quote. And so this now folder path is saved in the file path variable. Next, we launch Excel. So we open the document, means we have already a document there. Document name is the sample file. So here we give the file path variable slash and sample file dot xlx. So whatever the file name you have in the folder, give with the file path variable slash and sample file. This is our file name, and this dot xlx means our file is Excel file. So now this is saved in the Excel instance variable. Save it. Now, so this is the other steps. Get the after launching Excel. After launching Excel file, you keep other as it is. So now, if you come here, so this is in this step, we get write text to file. So our this is the folder path, and this is our text file, and the text file will be named as text test. You can give other name, say we may say text from Excel, and whatever the name you give, it will be saved as this name, and .txt is the text file extension. And close the Excel, and after that display the message that the task completed. Now save and run the flow. So we have our code. Just close this one. So task completed. Now we check in our folder. So you see text from Excel, and our Excel data saved in the text format in the text file.